Okay, today we are going to replace a laptop. First step to replacing every laptop is you want to make sure to take out the battery out of it. So first pull the levers on the side to release it, so you can take it out. Take out the battery. Now we're going to replace the RAM, the SODIMM. First take out the screw on the RAM access panel. Take out the access panel. Um, Press the little levers to take out the RAM. Take out the RAM. Put the new RAM in, line it up on the ends so they go in, and push the RAM in make sure to put it in at a 45-degree angle. Put the RAM access panel back on, line it up, and then put the RAM panel screw back on to secure it. Now we're going to replace the hard drive. Take out the first screw in the hard drive, and then take out the hard drive. Take out the hard drive bracket screws. Take out the hard drive access panel, and then take the hard drive out of the frame. Put the new hard drive in. Put the new bracket screws in, or put the access panel back on. Put the bracket screws back on. Push the new hard drive in, and then put the hard drive screw back on, and then put the battery back on, and there you go. Now we're going to replace the optical drive and PC card. First, we're going to do the optical drive. Press the little button on there to release a tab, and then you will press the tab to release optical drive. Bring the optical drive out, replace it with the new optical drive, push it in, and then press the tab, and that's how you place it. Next, we're going to do the PC card. On PC card, there's a button that you want to press once and then twice to release it. Take the PC card out, put the new PC card in, make sure it's lined up so you can put it in, and then slide it in. Now we're going to put the laptop on the docking station, and you literally just drop it on and it should attach. Now we're going to replace the cables. First, you always want to take out the power cable. Next, you can put the Ethernet cable in. Make sure to line it up. Now the monitor cable. Line that one up as well. There you go. And then screw that one in to tighten it. Put the USB cable in there. Make sure it's lined up and slide it in. Put the new mouse cable in. Or keyboard cable in, my bad. And then put the mouse cable in. And last but not least, put the power cable in and line it up. And there you go. That's how you replace a laptop.